The biggest challenge for me when it comes to creating is to shut up.
फर्स्ट फोटो कोणचा रखना है उसके लिए मैंने श्रावणताई संसारी यांची मदत घेतली या ठिकाणी.
Because I'm an extrovert and I love yapping. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another YouTube vlog. I am picking up this camera after such a long time because I have been drowning in work. It is a launch week. Tomorrow we finally release our new self-love capsule, which is a collection that's been in the work for months now, and I cannot believe that it's launching. I'm so excited but also very stressed. And abhi maine just YouTube video upload kiya hai that reveals every single design. I'm going to link it up here if you haven't seen it already. That's where you can explore every design we are releasing and really understand why we're doing certain designs a certain way. Everything has meaning behind it. And the collection is live right now. You can go ahead and shop at teammeraki.shop. I'm going to leave the link down below. I really hope that you love these pieces. These are a true oversized fit. It's definitely improved from the last launch, so I'm very proud about that. We just got the bulk order of our new self-love capsule launch at Team Meraki merch, which is our oversized t-shirts launch, and I am going to go through everything, do an inventory check, I'm going to do a sizing check, a quality check, and then also filter out some of these pieces that we are sending to influencers or that we're taking out for marketing purposes. I just thought it would be fun to take you through a day in the life with me. As you know, it keeps changing and I think it will be a fun experience for you all to watch. Shower is done. I am currently having my coffee and also editing one of my videos. Now majority of my videos मैं अभी edit नहीं करती हूँ, I outsource them. However, this is just like a very simple get ready with me, तो फिर वो मैं खुद से कर रही हूँ, and then we're going to go unbox the package. So what I do is, even if I am sending all of these to my editing team, मैं थोड़े से raw cuts कर लेती हूँ just so they know how I want the sequence to be, and this particular one I've edited from scratch. So I just got a parcel from Life and Jam. Super excited. They've now given me a discount code. So if you use Jam with Shravani10, you get 10% off. It lets the brand know that I sent you, and I also earn a small commission off of this. So if you use it, I really appreciate it. But even if you don't, I still think you should go ahead and get some of their products because they're pretty cool. So this has a few new things that I'm excited to try, and maybe we should unbox it together. So I already know what they've sent me because I've become pretty close to the founders now, and I cannot wait to share this with you because, okay, first of all, this one top I'm going to show you, I've had my eyes on this for quite a few months now, and Anushi was so kind. She said, you know what, I'm going to send this to you, and this wasn't even part of the main package that she wanted to send to me, but she just added it in there, which I appreciate so much. So this is the one. It's called the Summer Somewhere Long Line Bra. I'm going to pop up a picture of it over here. It is this stunning coral color, and I think this is going to double up beautifully as a crop top when I'm going out, and it's also going to fit in beautifully when it comes to my workouts, whether I'm training at the gym or at home. So this I am so excited to try. And the pieces that we are going to be creating some content around are this stunning set again. You guys must have seen it in a lot of their videos, but this is the blue and pink hues of sunset shorties and hues of sunset long line bra. Okay, so it's time to finally do an unboxing of the Life and Jam products that they sent me and give you my first impressions. So it's a brand I have tried before. I have reviewed this stuff before. I think they have some of the more premium quality materials. It's not like some of the cheaper brands wherein you have very polyester-y fabric. It's not sweat wicking, it's not breathable, but Life and Jam does some great quality fabrics. I think that is like a USP for them, and they also do very fashionable cute pieces. So this is the top that I have been so excited for. Just look at how stunning that is. It's a ribbed fabric, so it is extremely soft. Let's see if you can catch that. Yeah, so this is the fabric over here, very soft. It has up pads inside which are removable, so right before you throw it in the wash you can take it out. Looks like crop top, but it has a built-in shelf bra. So what that means is, even if this at the bottom is really loose, you've got an elastic band inside that holds the cups, and that's going to give you a little bit of a lifted look. Now moving on to the hues of sunset set. Material on this one is also brushed. If you can see, it's got a little bit of that fuzziness going on. So anything that is brushed is going to be very soft to the touch. This is what it looks like. I think we've got a good inseam length here, maybe about 3 or 4 inches. I'll have to check. Overall, the shorts are blue, and we've got a baby pink panel on the side with pockets, which is great. It does have a front seam, so we're going to see whether that gives any camel toe issues. That is always my concern with a front seam. And also for the back, I would have enjoyed curved glued seams a little bit as compared to something like this that goes straight across. Okay, so this is the long line sports bra. Okay, it's pretty long. Like, I think this is going to be a crop top for me because I have a very short torso. If you have a long torso and a concern of yours is most sports bras are just too short for your comfort, then this is going to be pretty good. I think these straps are not adjustable, but they are pretty long. So we're going to see how that fits, whether it creates any issues for the traps. We've got the Life and Jam logo right over here. Once again, you have that shelf bra inside. So this elastic is going to hold the girls in place. And then on top, you've got like a very seamless sort of flowy fabric. With a lot of brands, you know, who do long line sports bras like this, they don't do, you know, this shelf bra that you're seeing inside. Ye jo dikh raha hai na, this is what makes all the difference when it comes to support. So I was editing this video. 3 minute का clip मैंने 1.49 तक किया. The brief given to me was to create a video under 59 seconds. अभी कैसे करने का? I don't understand. Like, I think the biggest challenge for me when it comes to creating is to shut up, is to not talk too much because I'm an extrovert and I love yapping. तो फिर अभी थोड़ा सा कर रही हूँ मैं. I created like another video, but मुझे ना, see, I created this one. अभी ये मैंने 129 तक मैं लेके गई हूँ, but I like my setup in the previous video better. देखते हैं. अभी ये भेजा है ब्रांड को अप्रूवल के लिए. Hopefully it works out. I just realized that I was so hungry I forgot to vlog. Basically मैंने मेज से चिपोटले चिकन सैलड मंगाया. This is my 3rd time ordering from the restaurant. It's my current obsession. So I have this thing, okay? When I like something, I will eat it or I will eat from that restaurant until I am bored of it. So मेरा थोड़ा वो phase चल रहा है. So this is all that's left of it. We've got beans, we've got lettuce, corn, chicken. वो भी I asked for extra chicken. So ये पूरा भरा हुआ था. And I also called for some guac. 1 scoop guac का extra charge मारा, but बहुत ही कम था. I get it. I mean, avocados are expensive, but I'm just gonna finish this. The best part is I wanted to eat something delicious, but I didn't order like McDonald's or something like that. I knew that this is gonna satisfy my cravings because बहुत ही tasty salad है. It's very filling also, and then once I eat this, I'm less likely to indulge in foods that won't make me feel as great later on. And it's only what is the time right now? It's 7:15. So this is going to keep me full till like 9:30, 10 आराम से. उसके बाद मैं एक fruit खा के सो जाऊँगी. So it's not that I don't indulge once in a while, I do, but it's also important to have that moderation and be able to draw that line with yourself. कल मैं movie के लिए जा रही हूँ with Mika. Once this launch is live, that's when I'm going to have my caramel popcorn and maybe pizza or fries or something like that. So आज मैं थोड़ा सा I'm cutting back and having this salad. Morning guys, it's a launch day. It's finally here, and unfortunately UPI payments are not gonna go through because there is some issue. Okay, वो बहुत complicated हो जाएगा बताने के लिए, but अभी आज तो नहीं होने वाला है. So we're only doing card payments. And also I booked tickets last night for Jawan, for Mika and I, and we completely forgot that we had to be somewhere for a relative's birthday this evening. So अभी वो non-cancelable tickets है. We have to see अगर कोई खरीदना चाहे तो amazing, otherwise it's gone down the drain. But anyway, that's the plan for night. I'm gonna go have lunch, and then उसके बाद we're gonna make sure the website is ready. Everything is in place. I'm really hoping that the launch goes smooth. बहुत tension आता है मुझे when it comes to launch because anything can go wrong. But yeah, hopefully it's all gonna be okay. If I had to eat only one meal for the rest of my life, it would be this. This is like a prawn potato gravy that my mom makes and egg on the side. यार इससे better कुछ नहीं है मेरे लिए तो. Okay guys, it's 5:57 p.m. We are 3 minutes out from launch. पता नहीं बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा है. This is normal, I guess, you know, to feel that anxiety before a launch. But I am just sitting here with my laptop, ready to make all of these live, and I'm gonna set it as active in exactly 3 minutes. Hi guys, I'm here with world famous Nika Sansare, and she's facing a very important dilemma right now.
या फोटो पोस्ट करना
कौन सा
4 लोग को नहीं, मुझे पता है कौन सा मुझे फोटो डालना है, लेकिन फर्स्ट फोटो कौन सा रखना है वो उसके लिए मैंने श्रावणताई संसारे यांची मदत घेतली या ठिकाणी. बट उस जो मुझे फर्स्ट रखना था उसको वो पसंद नहीं आया.
नहीं, तूने मुझे बोला ही नहीं तुझे कौन सा रखना है. She just asked me कौन सा रखना चाहिए. फिर after I told her which one, she was like, ये रखो. अच्छा राहायचा नाही ना मला. I'm back home and I just got my skincare done. I'm not crying. This is all moisturizer. But the launch has happened. Payments are going through. थोड़े से hiccups हो रहे हैं, but overall pretty smooth. We have a few orders in already. So I would say like about, okay, I don't want to give you numbers, but little over 10% of inventory is gone at this point, and this time we stocked up much more than we did in our first launch and our restock. So I'm happy with the numbers, honestly. And now tomorrow we are going to be pushing more, a lot more work to do. I just got my label printer today. I have to figure out how that works tomorrow, get that printed, get the orders packed and have them out of the door. So lots to do, feeling good. थोड़ा सा मुझे headache हो रहा है. It could be because of all the stress of today and also the fact that I have not had much water. So you guys know that I have this 2-liter water bottle. तो देखो मैंने 1 लीटर भी नहीं पिया है आज, which is really bad for me because I end up drinking 2-3 liters every day. So I'm gonna sip this a little bit and head to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.